integration x raised to n dx, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, integration dx by x log x, integration e raised to ax dx, e raised to ax upon a, integration e raised to minus ax dx, e raised to minus ax upon minus a, integration sin x cos x minus cos x minus cos x, integration cos x sin x, integration tan x, anyone? It is log of sec x, integration cot x, integration cot x dx, log of sin x, integration sin hx, h is the hyperbolic function, so it is nothing but cos hx, cos hx, integration hyperbolic cos is sin hyperbolic, then integration dx upon under root 1 minus, okay, a square minus x square, sines inverse x by a, then integration dx upon a square plus x square 1 by a tan inverse x by a, integration dx upon x square minus a square is 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to power n x dx, so limits are 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to power n x dx, and this integration is same as integration 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to power n x dx, so that is nothing but n minus 1 n minus 3, it will continue into k divided by n n minus 2 n minus 4, this will also continue. So this is the formula. Then here k, where k is 1 if n value is odd, that means sin raised to 5, sin raised to 7, sin raised to 3, sin raised to sin x, sin raised to 9x, sin raised to power 9 x. So in that case here the k value will be 1, k value will be 1, and this will be k will be pi by 2 if your n value is even. So I hope you know all these formulae. Mansi, any doubt? I hope you know all these formulas. If you don't know, you can take the screenshot from the beginning. Take this screenshot quickly. Take the screenshot. So I cannot do in that anything. You are supposed to remember all these formulae, and based on this formulae, we will ask simple questions. And that type of questions will be there in your exam. Okay, taken. and k is pi by 2. K is pi by 2 if n is even. Now take the screenshot. This formula must be available. Try to remember this formula as early as possible. Today we will do practice on this. I hope either you have noted down or you have noted it down or you have taken the screenshot. Now, next formula, integration sine raised to power mx dot cos raised to power n x dx. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. So this formula is m minus 1, m minus 3. So this will continue. And here n minus 1, n minus 3. This will also continue into k divided by m plus n, m plus n minus 2, m plus n minus 4. This will also continue. Now k equal to 1, where k equal to 1, if either m or n is odd, either this m or n is odd, or both are odd, both m and n are odd. So in that case, your k value is 1 and k value is pi by 2 if both m and n are even. So m k की वैल्यू पाई बाई 2 लेंगे जब दोनों की दोनों इवन है. So take this screenshot. We have to solve the question based on this formula. So any question will be there in your exam like based on this formula. So what we are doing, first of all we are noting down all the formulas and then we will do the practice. Okay, I hope you have taken the screenshot. Next formula. Integration f dash x upon f of x. So in the denominator a function is present, in the numerator its derivative is present. So this integration formula is log of f of x. In the denominator one function is present, in the numerator its derivative is present. So it has integration formula log of f of x. Then integration f dash x upon under root f of x. In the denominator function is present in the under root, in the numerator its derivative is present. So it has formula 2 times under root f of x. Then next formula, integration f of x raised to power n, f of x raised to power n into its derivative, f of x raised to power n into its derivative. So this integration formula is f of x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay. So from my side, all basic formulas are given to you. So these many formulas are sufficient. Now take the screenshot of all these 3 formulas also. So I hope you have taken the screenshot. Now we will try to solve the questions. Okay, so shall we move towards solving questions? Formula screenshot taken. Okay. Now it's your time. I have given you the formula. I have given you all the formulae. Now it's your time. Question number 1. What is integration sine raised to power 4x dx? Two options will contain pi by 2, two options will not contain pi by 2, and integration limits are 0 to pi by 2. Integration limits are 0 to pi by 2. Two options will contain pi by 2, two options will not contain pi by 2. So here we will be doing practice. Anyone answer 3 pi by 8? 3 pi by 16. 3 pi by 16. 3 pi by 16. 3 pi by 16. Okay. Okay. Remaining students, it's not that much difficult. So just now I have written the formula integration 0 to pi by 2 sine raised to power nx dx is n minus 1 n minus 3 into k divided by n n minus 1 sorry n minus 2 n minus 4. Okay, so n value is 4, n value is 4 here, so this will be 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3, don't go for negative values, into k divided by 4, 4 minus 2, and 4, don't write 4 minus 4 because it will become 0. So we have to restrict ourselves. We should not get negative values, we should not get 0 also. So this is nothing but 3 into 1, that means 3k upon 4 into 2, that means 8. Now k value should be pi by 2. K value should be pi by 2. Because n is even number. Even रहता तो k pi by 2 रहता. So it becomes 3 into pi divided by 60. 8 into 2 is 60. So this is the answer. 3 pi by 16 is the answer. Okay, same based on same formula. One more question. What is value of integration? 0 to pi by 2 sine raised to power pi x dx. Eight by 15. Okay. Prajwal is very fast. 8 by 15. 8 by 15. Okay. Eight upon 15. 8 upon 15. Okay. So use the formula, so it becomes 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3. We don't write 5 minus 5 because it becomes 0. So we have to stop. Into k divided by 5, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 4. Then we cannot go for negative values. So we have to stop. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2, and n value is odd. So k value is 1 divided by 5 into 3 into 1. So it becomes 8 by 15. Okay, so such questions will be there based on this formula. Similarly, instead of sine, I can write cos also. Cos raised to power 5x dx. I will get the same answer. Next question. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sine raised to 4x dx, sine raised to 4x cos raised to 5x dx equal to. Some of you have joined late. For them, I will just write the formula. sin raised to power nx cos raised to power mx n minus 1 n minus 3 in this will continue, then m minus 1 m minus 3, this will also continue, into k divided by m plus n minus 2 m plus n minus 4, this will also continue. If either m or n is odd, if both are odd, then k value is 1. K equal to 1 if either m or n is odd. Eight upon 315. Okay, so n minus 1, so 4 minus 1, that means 3. 4 minus 1, then 4 minus 3, we have to stop, then 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3, we cannot write 5 minus 5, again we have to stop. Here one of the number is odd, so k value will be 1, divided by m plus n, that means 9, m plus n minus 2, that means 7, m plus n minus 4, so 9 minus 4, that means 5, then m plus n minus 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, then m plus n minus 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. So it is nothing but 3 into 1 into 4 into 2 divided by 9 into 7 into 5 into 3. So these three cancel. So 8 upon, I think this is nothing but 3115. 4 upon 3115 or 8 upon 3115. Now someone has given the answer 4 upon 3115. 4 or 16 or 8. Majority is with 8. And I also got the answer 8. So please check your calculations. Those who are getting 16 or those who are getting 4. Because majority are getting 8 upon 3115. I am also getting 8 upon 3115. Okay, one more. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Sin raised to 5x cos raised to power 6x dx. For some of you, I will write the formula. Just apply the formula, get the answer. Eight upon 231. 8 upon 693. 8 upon 693. Remaining students, you should also get the answer. मुझे ऐसा लगता कि कुछ बाकी लोग कुछ भी नहीं करते, बस वीडियो देखते रहते आराम से पंखे के नीचे बैठ के. कुछ लोग मोबाइल साइड में रख देते. अरे यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे फिर एग्जाम में परेशान हो जाएंगे. because I am giving enough time so that everyone should get the answer. This will be m minus 1, that means 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3. We cannot write 5 minus 5 because it becomes 0, so we have to stop. Then 6 minus 1, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 5. Again we have to stop. Into k, k will be 1 because एक number odd है, divided by m plus n, that means 11. Then m plus n minus 2, that means 9. M plus n minus 4, that means 7. M plus n minus 6, 11 minus 6 is 5. Then 3, then 1. So if you solve this, as most of the students are getting the answer, 8 upon 690. As majority of the students are getting answer, so answer is 8 upon 693. Okay, next question. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sine raised to power 4x cos raised to power 6x dx. For some of the students, I will write the formula. K equal to pi by 2 if both are even, if both m and n are even. Okay, 15 upon 1280 into pi by 2. 3 pi by 580. Okay. So this type of questions will be there in your exam. You have to be fast in doing the calculation and match the option. Three pi by 512. Remaining students, at least give attendance now. Type P in the chat box. Give your attendance. Type P in the chat box. So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 students are present for this lecture. Type P in the chat box. Write quickly. Okay, that means they are also attending. Still, okay, more than 30 students have replied. बाकी के लोग, this is your attendance time. Type P in the chat box. Okay, so attendance is taken. आंसर आएगा इसका 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 5 we cannot write because it will be negative. Then 5 minus 6 minus 1, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 5. We have to stop. k value will be pi by 2 divided by m plus n. That means 10, then 8, 6, 4, 2. We cannot write m plus n minus 10 because 10 minus 10 it will be 0. So we have to stop. So if you calculate it, as majority of the students are getting answer, as majority of the students are getting 3 pi by 512. 3 pi by 512. So this is the answer, 3 pi by 512. Okay. Hello. Next question. What is value of this integration? Integration dx upon 9 minus x square. So I have given you this formula, integration dx upon x square minus a square. So it is nothing but 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. Now, but here it is a square minus, here it is a square minus x square. In that case, formula will be a square minus x square. In that case, formula will be 1 by 2a log of x plus a upon x minus a. Very good, Aditya. सिर्फ आप ये फार्मूला याद रखो, और अगर ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर आ गया तो इनको इंटरचेंज करो, एक्स प्लस ए अपॉन एक्स माइनस. Don't remember both the formula, otherwise you will be confused. So remember only one, and if there is small change like a square minus x square, then interchange this. Then interchange this. Yes, 1 by 6 log of x plus 3 upon x minus 3. So such simple question will be there in your exam with 4 different options. The only thing is you are supposed to remember the formula. So it is nothing but 1 by 3 square minus x square. So 1 by 3, 2 into 3, 6 log of x plus 3 upon x minus 3. Okay. So next, integration dx upon 9 plus x square. So the formula is integration dx upon x square plus a square. Formula is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So accordingly, this formula will be, I think it is little bit difficult to type it in the chat box. No problem. So 1 by 3 tan inverse x by 3. 1 by 3 tan inverse x by 3. What will be this integration? Integration 4 dx upon 4 plus x square. Yes, correct answer 1 by 3 tan inverse x by 3 for previous question. Try this one, 4 upon 4 plus x square. I will give you two options. 2 tan inverse x by 4, 4 tan inverse x by 4, 1 by 4 tan inverse x by 4. So three options are given, A, B, C, D. Your answer A, x by 2. Last option is 2 tan inverse x by 2. Yes, 2 tan inverse x by 2. So 4 is a constant. Then integration 1 upon a square plus x square is 1 by a. A is 2 tan inverse x by a, x upon 2. So this will be 2 tan inverse x by 2. D, yes. Next question, integration dx upon under root x square minus 9. I will write the option 1 by 3 sin inverse x by 3. 3 sin inverse x by 3. 1 by 3 sin inverse 3 by x. 3 sin inverse 3 by x. A, B, C, D. Now it's not that much difficult. Okay, but in the for fifth option is sin inverse x by 3. Now it is not that much difficult. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, very good. E is not the answer. Our standard formula is a square minus x square ना. हमारा फॉर्मूला ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है. सो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा चेंज करो. dx अपॉन 9 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. dx अपॉन 9 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. So now for this the answer is option E. A square minus x square. Our standard formula is integration dx upon a square minus x square. So it has formula sin inverse x by a. यहाँ पे 1 by a नहीं आता. बस थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहो. Okay. Now integration e raised to power 4x 1 by 4 e raised to power 4x divided by e raised to power 4x dx. Not 1 by 4, 4 times. Once again I will write 4 e raised to 4x divided by e raised to 4x dx. What will be this integration? Very simple. 4x. E raised to 4x, e raised to 4x cancel. Answer is 4x. Okay, if I do not cancel, then I can see that the e raised to 4x is present in the numerator. So according to our formula log of f of x, that means e raised to 4x. And that 4x log e has value 1. The answer is 4x. Then integration 4 e raised to 4x divided by under root e raised to 4x dx equal to. So it is of this form. It is of this form. F dash x divided by under root f of x dx. So it has integration 2 under root f of x. So I apply this thing. E raised to 4x derivative is present in the numerator. E raised to 4x derivative is present in the numerator. So that is f dash x upon under root f of x. So it is nothing but 2 under root e raised to 4x. 8 or 2? Someone write an 8 in the chat box. It will be 2 under root e raised to 4x. 2 under root e raised to 4x. No, डेरिवेटिव क्या है? e raised to 4x का डेरिवेटिव है 4 e raised to 4x. So here the derivative is available. This is the derivative. So this is f dash x and this is f of x. Okay, chalo. Integration cos x divided by under root sin x dx. Okay, I will repeat. After 8 minutes, Rutika, you have to wait, then I will repeat. Huh? Sir? minus under root sin x or under root sin x. One of the option is under root sin x, another option is minus under root sin x, another option is root 2 root sin x, and last option is minus 2 under root sin x. These are the four options A, B, C, D. Now what is your answer? Please do in the reply with A, B, C, D. Option C. Option C. Because sin x का डेरिवेटिव है, sin x का डेरिवेटिव है cos x. So this is of this form, f dash x divided by under root f of x. F of x sin x is the derivative, that is the cos x. So it has formula 2 under root f of x. So 2 under root sin x. So correct answer is option C. So this type of questions will be there in your exam. You have to click that which formula is available. I have given very limited formulae. Integration 1 by x under root x, sorry, 1 by x under root log x dx. Integration 1 by x under root log x dx equal to, so log x का डेरिवेटिव रहता है, log x has derivative 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. log x का डेरिवेटिव अंडर रूट 1 by x है ना, log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x है ना. Anyone please confirm log x has derivative 1 by x? Yes, okay, हाँ. So ये क्वेश्चन देखने के बाद आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. It is of this form, f of x divided by under root f dash x upon under root f of x. So my f of x is log x, its derivative is 1 by x, so it is also available. So answer will be under root 2 log x. 2 under root log x is the answer. And one more, 1 by x log x dx. log of log x. तो अभी ये कौन सा फॉर्मेट है, f dash x डिवाइडेड बाय f of x dx. हमारा f of x है log x, इसका डेरिवेटिव रहता है 1 by x. So 1 by x is present in the numerator and in the denominator this can be written as 1 by x divided by log x. So in the denominator f of x is present, in the numerator its derivative is present, and this integration has formula log of f of x. ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला आपको याद करना है और बाद में क्वेश्चन में लॉजिक अप्लाई करना है. तो हियर आंसर विल बी log of log f of x. f of x क्या है, log x है, log of log x is the answer. log of log x is the answer. Integration x cube raised to power 4 into 3x square dx. What will be the integration? I will give you the options. X cube raised to 5 divided by 5. This is one option. X cube raised to power 4 divided by 4. This is another option. So this is of this form, x cube has derivative. So here f of x is x cube and its derivative is second. This is a, this is b. So your answer is b. तो आपको समझ में आना चाहिए f of x is x cube, its derivative will be 3x square, so it is available. So this is of this form, f of x raised to power n into f dash x dx. So this becomes, it has formula f of x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. तो ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. So it will be x cube raised to power n, n की वैल्यू 4 है, so 4 plus 1 5 divided by 5. And can you tell me this integration, last question, sin raised to power 5x dot cos x dx, or you can say sin raised to power, this is one and same, this is same, sin x raised to power 5, दोनों चीजें सेम है. हाँ, तो इंटीग्रेशन sin x raised to power 5 into cos x dx. So it is of this form, f of x raised to power n dot f dash x dx is f of x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. It is of this form. So accordingly our formula will be, answer will be sin x raised to power 6 divided by n plus 1 6. Yes, sin raised to power 6x, sin x raised to power 6 divided by 6.